we doing here?
Now, what we're doing now is tapping down the crown around the dent,
Okay.
the top end of the dent. So what happened is usually like is as if you have a water splash. You know, you go in, a lot of the water around it comes up.
Right.
So that's what happens with the metal. So the first thing you want to do is tap that down around there.
Right.
So it releases the pressure and make it an easy push or glue pull, so you could pull the dent out.
Okay. Yeah, guys. So I have here. Tell me the name of your company. Let me, give you guys.
Terrence, I work for Dent Wizard.
Dent
I work
Wizard.
for Dent Wizard.
Okay.
My name is Terrence.
All right, man. Appreciate you coming by and sorting out the cars for me. Cause
Hey.
there's some asshole like open the door on me. So.
Hey, man, anytime, man, anytime,
Yeah.
man. And it definitely happens a lot, too.
Yeah. I
It
realize that.
definitely happens a lot, you know.
I realize that.
Yeah, I get a lot of customers like that, man. You know, all type of doors. I done had doors wrinkled up and everything, man. Trust me.
All right, man. I appreciate you.
Anytime, man.
Oh, so that's the glue that you add to the plastic
Yeah.
that goes to the
it's,
body of the car, and then when it's dry, how long does this take to dry?
Usually take between 10 and 15 seconds, but depends
Okay.
on the temperature though.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
The hotter it is, the longer it takes to cool off.
Oh, okay. Didn't know that. I thought it was the opposite.
Yeah, and then you also have different level strengths of glues.
Right.
And the red one is one of the strongest ones.
Okay.
And so in a hotter temperature like in Florida, that's what you want to use,
Gotcha.
especially if you're outside.
Gotcha. Guess you have to have a good eye too.
Yeah.
To see-
Funny thing is, the vision test is one of the first things you gotta go to.
Yeah,
You know
because
what I mean?
like you don't want to hit the wrong
Hey,
you can imagine you're hitting the wrong dent. Like-
for real. It happens, bro.
Oh wow, that is damn. That dry real fast.
Depending on the temperature, man.
Right.
You gotta catch it while you can.
And it's just easily clean off. What's that? Is that like a
Alcohol.
alcohol? Okay.
Yeah. Alcohol helps
Cool.
it peel right off.
Nice.
And then you actually clean your surface too before you work, so it could be a good stick
Right.
and good
Right.
good pull.
Right. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave his information in the description below, so you guys can hit him up, and check him out. If you guys are in Florida, yeah, check him out. So I'll leave it in the description below. Yeah, man. So now you're gonna change the head on this one to top down, all like this spot here.
Yeah, the high spot.
Yeah, the high spot. Okay.
Which was the center of the dent.
Right. Okay. So what's the worst one you've ever seen that you'd be like, oh no, you're gonna need a body man for this one? And then when you finish, you're like, wow, I can't believe I fixed it.
Oh man, I had a, I want to say it was a Toyota. It was
Like-
I want to say a CHR,
Okay.
or was it? But
Was it the
the
door?
entire quarter panel.
Oh, the quarter panel.
The
And that's
entire
the
quarter
and
panel.
that's the worst part
You
too.
know,
The quarter
so it
panel.
was, it was basically like a Jeep. So it was, the damage was like this pretty much. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
it was that much space, so looking at it, I'm just like, yeah. Like, yo, I'm gonna try, you know what I mean?
Not gonna make any promises.
But I didn't quit, and it actually came out pretty good, man, and they was
Nice.
able to ship it off in time and everything.
So after we put the window down now, what's this for?
This is a window guard.
Oh, okay, got you. So it's like a base, like a hard base. So
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, to keep you, prevent you from breaking the glass.
Ah,
Then you put a wedge in.
oh, okay. Oh, so
put a little
it's firm,
space so you could have a little room to work.
right? Nah, I understand. So yeah, guys. Okay. Oh, it's looking good already. I'm hardly seeing the dent. It was like right here. As you can see, bro, I love my cars. So, I mean, the only downfall with all this, like, I wish I had like more guard space, but
Yeah.
in time, I'm not gonna jump the gun and
Yeah, for sure, man. You definitely got a strong start, man.
yeah, that definitely shows you everything. Shows up everything. Wow, that tool is long. So yeah, guys, this one, no more dent. Nice, really nice. So this one was a small one, guys. So yeah,
Right underneath the body.
Yeah. it was right here.
Quarter panel.
Yeah, nice. So no more dents for now. Cause you'll never know, we're on the road every day. So
Yeah.
I was driving on the highway once and I saw this big stone just fly over my car and hit the car behind me. So yeah, I was coming off a truck.
Yeah, man. I always try to move when I see them.
Yeah. Sometimes you can't move.
Yeah, depending on where you are.
Yep.